It wouldn't be a proper CES if Sony didn't announce new TVs, and this year was no different, except it's all about 8K, and the Z8H series is that TV that's going to deliver all that 8K goodness right behind me, right there.
Now let's talk specs for the XBR Z8H. From the start, with no firmware update, you'll get HDMI 2.1, which means it'll support 4K 120 frames per second. This 8K HDR TV also has support for HDR10, HLG, and Dolby Vision, all the major HDR platforms. Apple users will be pleased to know that there's also support for AirPlay 2 and HomeKit, meaning that they can easily integrate Siri commands as well as other automation tasks right from the start. Speaking of home automation, there's also support for Amazon Alexa as well as Google Assistant. All of that means that the Z8H will ship with Android 9.0, the newest version of Android TV. Switching gears to more hardware features, the Z8H offers Sony's Acoustic Multi-Audio. The way Sony describes this is as: Acoustic Multi-Audio includes a vibrating frame tweeter, a speaker that enables sound to follow the action for a truly immersive experience. In short, instead of the sound coming directly through the screen, which is what previous models did, or from below the screen, which is what many traditional LCD TVs do, this TV instead vibrates the frame, though you won't be able to hear or feel the vibrations, and produces sounds through it. Sony also has a new premium backlit remote, making it easier to use at night. Like many other flagship TVs from Sony, the Z8H also is Netflix calibrated, meaning that 4K TV shows and movies that stream through Netflix will be displayed as they were intended. And for all you neat freaks out there, you'll be pleased to know that Sony's cable management system has also made it into this TV, which makes it easier to plug hardware into the back of the unit and have your cables flowing out nicely